We finally got through with the electrical. We got all my electrical done. We got the lift trim going here. Back running light running. Amen. Rear trolling motor working. Indeedy. We got the front running light on. They working. We got the inside light, the man with the shiner, so you can see what he's doing or not. Indeed. Right here we got a trolling motor. You see that baby? She's turning. And we at least we not forget that sweetheart wings we got up there. That baby works. Stoves up fine. Beautiful fine. Gorgeous. We did not check our inside light for the captain's light over here. Let's see if we got one. Oh yeah. That's the inside light for me. I don't want no white light back here. Now, we also have bilge pump. We got it all working. Everything's ready. All I got left to do is crank her up and run her. And I still have to do some TLC on this back winch back here. But we're gonna be hitting the swamp here for too long, y'all. I feel it in my bones. We got it going. We ready. Just got to clean her up a little bit, crank her up and let her run. We'll take her to the lake. Catch some fish, baby. Boy, it's a pretty day out here today. Look at the sunshine. It's supposed to start raining, I believe. My son to eat it about noon. Oh, Lord. Nothing like the country, y'all. Nothing like it. I'm talking from the woods. I want to thank y'all for watching. We're going to take a look at the ice box right here. See what we got. Yes, we do. We have everything we need. We need a little bit more ice. Change the ice jug out here. Get me a little bit more ice. Keep my nerves cold. Thank y'all for watching. Excuse my hand. You know how I am. Otaka from the woods.